What I learned was that every person on the planet has a spirit, and if you are allowing it to happen, you can become aware of it. Now, over the course of time, through cultures and religions and different parts of society, that has been taken away from us. That has been robbed of us. Because as a child, I firmly believe, and especially after interviewing thousands of people around the world, that we are born with the ability to sense. We are aware of spirits. We are aware that we are a spiritual being. And yet, we grow and we enjoy it, and about the age of 7, we come to a peak. We're right there, full-blown, maximum. You can tell your mom or dad, oh, there's a little friend over here, or, grandma's visiting when I take a nap, or on and on and on. And the adults will go, no, please, that's your imagination, or stop doing that, don't do this, you'll get past this. And as we grow older, by the time we reach our teens, we recognize that in society, we are wiser and better off if we quiet that approach down. If we no longer speak of it, culturally, religious groups that our families associate with will accept you better. So we start putting that aside and we start thinking, well, maybe it is the ways of a child, or perhaps it's something that really isn't there. And the more that you hear that, the more that you move away from it. And so by the time you're in your late teens, you recognize the fact that, wow, it really profits me to keep my mouth shut or not discuss this, because you see that people have a negative approach to it often, or they think that, wow, this is really strange. I don't think I want to hire him for a job. And so, when you start off in life trying to find an occupation, that part of your spiritual awareness is gone many times. And over the course of history, you can look back and you can see that it was either squashed or shunned because of political or religious or cultural views. And there's a wide variety of reasons why mankind has put a lid on the spirituality of human beings. And I think the bottom line is for control. Different groups wanted to be able to tell you how you were, how you think, and how to react when they present you with the life they want you to live. Because if you are a spiritually aware being, if you're spiritually awakened, then you're not going to follow in suit with everything that someone tells you, because you're going to have a vibration within you. You're going to have a life within you that is assisting you through life. And it may be in grave conflict with how they want you to live your life now, those who are in power. So when you look at history, you can see a wide variety of groups that squashed how and who you were.